look at our Valley Skycam showing a beautiful view over the FM area, and it's a ground that is freeing of snow cover as we've seen some sunshine go to work on our snow here across the valley. Here is a look at Mike's favorite broadcast graphic. It's the Arctic Blobcast. The blue, that's the sub-freezing temperatures that's been around the area with all the fresh snow on the ground. It looks like it's going to hang around through midweek when a weather wiggle works its way through. More on that in a second. Afterwards, we're going to see a trend towards warmer conditions, and even overnight, the cold freezing air stays locked up to the north with our penguins. Here's a look at your temperatures now. A cool 34 in Valley City, 39 rather in Gwinner, and low to mid 40s in northeast portions of North Dakota. 43 in Thief River, 41 in Detroit Lakes with Fergus Falls in the 40s as well. Now, here's a look at our winds. They've been pretty robust throughout the day, gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. And they're still measuring upwards the teens of miles per hour in the evening hours here at 16 miles per hour out at Hector, as a matter of fact, from the north-northwest. It is 37 out at Hector and 37 at Moorheads Airport. Visible satellite shows a couple things. The big storm system dumping a lot of snow down here from central parts of South Dakota right into the Twin Cities and central parts of Wisconsin as well. And this snow is still left over on the ground from our recent systems. But notice the darkening of the earth here. Fargo points south and into parts of southwestern North Dakota. These areas will have the chance to really see things warming up when that sun's energy comes in. Snowfall, by the way, from that big blizzard over the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and continuing today off to the east, 1 to 2.5 feet. Didn't need a ruler to measure it, but a yardstick in some places would drift several feet. Here is our storm system now. Still some snow in the Great Lakes. We're between weather-making systems, and we do have a little hiccup in the forecast in the midst of our warming trend. But for tonight, we'll see the winds decrease. Crystal clear skies means cool temperatures overnight. We'll see some patchy areas of frost as we go through the overnight hours. Some clouds in our western counties to start your Tuesday morning. It'll be a brisk start to the day of the 20s, but our wind becomes more southeasterly as we go through the day. It will increase out to the west, and by late in the day, we'll have clouds building in, but the showers of snow and rain will be stuck in the western Dakotas. So when we head to bed tomorrow night, that will be heading our way. But look where this system goes. Whoop, right along the same track as the last storm system. Best chance of some snow with a little accumulation will be in our westernmost counties and southernmost counties, and then down in southern Minnesota and the Iowa border as well. And we're talking about snowfall in our area of a trace to a couple of inches at most. Could be a little more out in the western Dakotas. And look at this, southern Minnesota, 4 to 8 inches. Winter storm watches already posted for that Tuesday night into Wednesday. For Fargo, cool and quiet to start your day. Very sunny with increasing clouds in the afternoon. Wind southeasterly and easterly throughout the day. And any chance of moisture will hold off till Wednesday here in Fargo. As we take a look at temperatures tomorrow afternoon, many of us making it into the 40s, some mid-40s here in northeast parts of North Dakota and the Red River Valley, and low 40s again in Lakes Country. Gorgeous shot here by Barb. Thanks for uploading your photo from Foston. A colorful scene this weekend. Here's a look at your planning forecast. A wet weather wiggle or hiccup on Wednesday, 39, so that kind of stalls, but only briefly, that warming trend. Take a look at this. Temperatures that will rise into the upper 40s in Fargo on Thursday, Friday, 53. A shot at 60 degrees for the weekend ahead. So finally, we can forecast some April showers for next Monday.
Instead of April snow.
Right. No shovel trouble the way it looks now.
Good. Thank you.
More